Hello everyone, welcome to mamascare.com. This is Dr. Swati Bajaj, and today I'm going to talk to you regarding the consciousness of the pregnancy. I usually talk to you regarding the prenatal fitness and health, but any kind of fitness or health cannot be completed without having the mental fitness or the sociological acceptance. So let's talk about the consciousness of the pregnancy. So what exactly the consciousness of pregnancy is? I have a lot of seminar and workshops with expecting couples on parenting or the Garbhasanskar, and I usually always ask them how they want their babies to be or how they expect their life to be after the baby arrives. And most of the time, believe me, most of the time I get the answers like, we haven't thought about it yet, we don't know, we'll think after once baby is there in our life. So do you think so? Is that really a good approach? We always prepare ourselves for everything. We prepare for any kind of exams, may it be your school or your college exams. When we want to go to eat out, we usually discuss about where to go or what kind of food you want. Whenever you're designing your home, so you always think about it. How do you want your home to be? Or where do you want the sofas, or where do you want the bed, or where do you want pictures? So we always get prepared for everything. We always think about the things we want in our life. Even the buying a car is the biggest concern. We think about it, we have a lot of research before buying a car. So we always get prepared for all the things in our life. So do you think there is anything more important than having a baby? And do you think that is that not important to think about your baby and how do you want your baby to be? Many times when I ask the couples, like, what do you think about your baby? Do you ever speak to your baby, or do you ever imagine your baby? So they are like, no. How can we talk to our babies? Or how can we think about our babies? We don't know how our baby is. So it is just a clueless matter, and just imagine you are in your 9th month. Like, I'm in my 30th week right now. Let's say you are in your 37th week of gestation, and today you're pregnant, and just tomorrow you're gonna deliver, and that baby would be there in your arms, and you'll feel that that baby is alive, right? Isn't it? So you'll feel that that baby is in your arms, that baby is in your life. So why not a day before? If the baby is in your life once that baby is born, so the baby is equally in your life the moment you conceive your baby. The moment you conceive your baby, you need to think about the consciousness of your pregnancy. Consciousness is having the thought that baby, that life is with you 24/7. So why not talk to your baby? Just imagine you go to any of your friends' home, right? And you're just sitting nearby your friend, and your friend is not at all talking to you. The maid comes, the maid serves you the food, and you eat the food, but that particular person, that particular friend is just sitting nearby you and not talking to you and not entertaining you. Isn't it this very same situation like your baby is in your body? Your baby is getting all the nourishment, your baby is getting all the nurturing, your baby is getting all the energy to grow in your body, but still your baby is not getting that affection what he or she deserves. So that is the most important part. Having a connection with your baby, having a connection with your fetus when your baby is in your womb is the consciousness of the pregnancy.